Hey Swiggy Instamart, can you order my hydration list? Now you might be wondering what I'm trying to do here. Basically, Swiggy Instamart recently released its MCP and I'm trying to use that MCP to do a live order. Now, on top of this, Swiggy Instamart MCP, I have built my skill that has list of items that I usually order, like my daily need items, my party need items, my, let's say, hydration list items. And I have also set a budget, like you don't have to exceed a certain budget even if you're ordering all these items, right? So that way it also gives me discounted list items. So let's say tender coconut, I have some discounted rates available, or there is an alternative to it. It will suggest me that, and I can basically order from that. And I'll do a live order in front of you so that you get to know better about this. Now, what you see here is that Swiggy, the tender coconut is already discounted, 74 versus, MRP of 100. There is also a pack of three available at 216 per piece, 216, which is 72 per piece. If you want to stock up, but otherwise no cheaper alternatives is available. So let me try to do that. I'll order three. Now you can see it gave me the discounted option as well. So earlier the price was 74, but I can order three pieces at 73. Now you can see it has given me the subtotal of 216. Now it is updating the cart as well. And let me show you, it is doing it live, right? If I open my Swiggy Instamart, so you can see it directly on Instamart that it has added the three coconuts that I required, right? Now what I can do is that you can see like the total amount that's there, handling fees, delivery fees, and the amount to be paid. I can, proceed with the checkout. So if I say yes, now my Instamart order has placed, right? It took three simple steps to basically order from Instamart, and that too via MCP. I hardly had to touch my phone, just for, showcasing purpose. I touched it, but otherwise I didn't have to touch it. Now my order is ready. Basically, I can track my order as well, right? Can you track the order? Yeah. Now it will track the order as well for me. Now you can see it has given me the estimated time of arrival. Delivery partner will also be assigned, and when it was placed, and all those details are also available, right? So this is very interesting, right? You could order it directly from where you code. Now, let me show you the skill, which is important, right? Meanwhile, the order is getting prepared and all those things. Let me show you how the skill actually looks. Now, if you see, this is the Swiggy quick orders, skill that I've created. So I have my daily need items, which are listed here, like tender coconut, paneer, eggs, and handmade coconut cookies. All these are daily need items. Then I have my sick day items. I have my, let's say, guest in 20-minute items, right? All these are listed here, movie night items, right? So I have already listed all my items here, and based on this skill, it is MCP is referring to the skill and taking in the order, right? I have also given it some configuration. So there are multiple addresses as well added in my Swiggy Instamart. So I have explicitly mentioned that you have to order it at home too. And this is the max budget that you are allocated with. Now, list are single select, and these are the quantities that I have mentioned, like right in front of the items, I have mentioned the quantity. There is a workflow as well that runs behind it, that these are the step-by-step instructions that you need to follow. First, identify the list, then get the address, then check existing cart items. If they are there, then clear them and order it with the updated cart items, right? Then you need to search and match the products. Then you need to present the order summary to the user so that they can understand that, what all items have been ordered. Now you can show the discounted alternatives as well, because that is necessary, right? If you have certain alternatives to what you're ordering and it is available at a discounted rate, then why not go for it? Yes. Then you also need to do a budget check. Let's say if the total exceeds, rupees 500, then inform the user, or, maximum amount is, I think, 1,000 in this MCP, but I have capped it to 500, right? So you can do it according to yourself. And then there's some checkout confirmation that the AI will do. And then there are some error handling techniques and trigger phrases that I've kept. Yeah. So let's now wait for the order. Once the order arrives, I'll show that to you as well. Okay, welcome back. The order is here. this is the bag that they gave me. It's a really heavy bag, to be honest. Three coconuts is not a lightweight, and hats off to the gig workers who, actually do so much hard work in the summers, right? So let me, in case you're wondering, have they delivered the right thing? Yes, they did deliver the right thing. There are three of them. I'm just showing one of it. So the order was delivered correctly and within time, like it hardly took 8-9 minutes to get delivered. So that's the best part. And yeah, let me show you via the MCP as well. Like, is it actually tracking if the order is you know, delivered or not? So let's ask it again. So it says that the order has been delivered and it has been delivered, right? So couple of things to discuss regarding this MCP, like who can benefit out of it. So basically people who, are already decided that they want to order these specific items. This is the quantity that they want to order and they have predefined list of, things that they want to order on daily basis or something like that. So they can really benefit out of it. But people who are new to Swiggy Instamart, they are exploring the service, trying to understand what all products are available, doing some random orders, right? For them, I think it's best to use the app. The app experience is really great, and you can probably order from that and eventually shift towards, MCP. Second of all, I would have really loved if there was an option to, add coupons at the checkout. So right now, like before actually making this video live, I was doing some testing and I found out that there was no tool call available to, actually add coupon towards the end when I'm checking out. So that would have made this MCP really great. Like I could have done all the things from, just my AI client and maybe a card addition as well. Like this was totally cash on delivery. Eventually, I think card and other payment options will also be added. So yes, that was all about Swiggy Instamart's MCP. I hope you like this video, and Swiggy, if you're watching it, do give a shout out. Thank you so much.